Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a ginger lemon shot at home. And this drink is a natural remedy that's quite good for relieving sore throats and also boosting your immune system. So we're going to start first with fresh ginger. I have some fresh ginger here which I am going to peel and chop into small cubes. So friends, if this is the first time you're here, welcome to Juicing Foods. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make delicious food recipes and healthy juices, smoothies, and drinks as well. Please join the family. Do hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with pushing the video out there. And do stay engaged with my channel. Ask your questions, please feel free. So you can buy your ginger in bulk. That's what I usually do. And fortunately here in Nigeria, or at least where I live, ginger is available throughout the year. This is a simple recipe. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is lime. Okay, you can use lemon as well, but lime seems more stronger. So I'm just going to cut open my lime and I'm going to squeeze it into my blender. I've already added in my ginger. Ginger is like a staple on my channel. I don't only use it for drinks, but I use it in most of my cooking because it's such a healthy and nutritious herb. So I'm going to add in a little bit of water, just a little bit, because I want this ginger shot to be very strong. I'm going to blend. So now I'm going to sieve the ginger mixture using a cloth. Just going to pour it into the cloth and squeeze dry. And voila, there we have our ginger shot recipe. It is so easy. You can store it in a bottle. That's what I usually do, and put it in the freezer. Now, if you're making big batches, then you have many more bottles. You can, store it in your freezer, your deep freezer. Others you can store in the fridge and use it. It usually lasts about a week in the fridge if you, really keep it well. If it's okay with you and not too strong, you can have a raw shot every day. That is both morning and evening. You can use your bottle cover to just measure. Or you can also just pour in your ginger shots into your ice tray and store as ginger ice blocks. And when you're ready, you can pop them out and add them to hot water and drink as a tea. Or you can just boil it as it is, add some water, add some honey, and drink like that as a ginger tea. So there are many ways to actually have this ginger shot at home. Ginger is very good for the health. It can help to relieve inflammation and also boost immunity. It's also a natural remedy that may help to alleviate the symptoms of a sore throat. It may help to also bring relief, and it's also medicinal. And this may be very useful in fighting infections. So thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. And do try out this ginger shot recipe. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao.